Great. In coming 2 to 3 minutes, we'll see what is the behavior of Bank Nifty today and what are the possibilities tomorrow. How can we easily trade and make money? So yeah, so overall our intent is to the easiest way to trade Bank Nifty and make money. So that is where we are. Let's get started. So till on the daily chart, we do have uptrend intact. So that is what point number one. As per the EMA as well as price pattern, the daily chart, we could see that uptrend is intact, right? So that's good. And today's candle wise, uh, first doji, second doji, it's still doji. Means I do not see this candle has any direction within it. Only thing is that it closed positively, so that is good sign, and we'll see that on 15-minute and 1 hour chart. But overall it created trap for buyers as well as sellers, and most of those, like for me also, may have trapped in this zone. Okay, let's see how it happened. So if you come to the 1 hour chart, okay, it's clearly a zone. You could see that since 21 April, almost 11 days, the market is in a range, right? And in the morning, if you could see, market started uh, positively, market started negatively, and then it came positive, a rejection at previous resistance, and it all that rejection, right? There is no move after that. So very congested market, very tough to trade. Those like who are like direction based trader, it is difficult to trade. Coming to the 15-minute candle, this is where market has started and ended. So not much to trade as a trader, but good that alt V, I am trying to draw a vertical line, but it is not showing. Okay, sometimes it happens, and that is where we are. So that's good. Now I realize the so okay, so this is how market is. 9:15 market started. Uh, Market started at negative direction and it's ended up within a range. So in such scenario, it's always better to stay away from the market and not to trade. But usually we see that there was a downfall, and in the up it crossed the first resistance. So I was here considering that as resistance is crossed, could it be a positive move? It didn't happen. I took a loss and I stayed away from the market. But those who were in market, they must have feel the heat of the market, that how the market behaves. The good point was that expiry is coming. Tomorrow is Bank Nifty expiry. So for the expiry, market may be preparing for itself, and buyers and sellers are not interested. They could be looking for expiry moves momentum. So this is what, like 3-minute candle, and almost everything closed within the 3-minute candle range since morning. All right, so this is how it was. If you could draw this. So what to do tomorrow? This is a no trade zone, absolutely. So we'll have to watch for the market, how it goes here. And if it is through that, then we can check for something similar move on this side. And on the downside also, what I could check, until and unless we get a break below these levels and start, so that way I would check for So these are the two possibilities we have. And considering the pressure of buyer sellers, I could say that sellers are still active compared to buyers, because it is lot many times buyer came, but sellers become active and they shown that it's a sale side. Again, buyer become active. So today also after morning time, buyer become active, seller couldn't make them succeed. In the afternoon time, buyer become active. Again, sellers became active more than buyers, and that's what it ended. So on a short time frame, there is no clear indication. On longer time frame, we can say that it's a positive trend, but it's not yet a momentum has not picked up. Momentum has not picked up. So daily, weekly still positive. Hourly it's consolidation, 3 minute, 15 minute, still a consolidation, and it has clearly formed a no trading zone. So here is the key. Have patience to not to trade in no trading zone. Have patience, because I entered just because it has crossed and hoping that, and I got a hit, because yeah, that's where. And then I watched, but I could not enter it. This is the pattern. I could easily trade that pin bar we were discussing so many times, but I could not trade because I got here for positive move. That's all. So how you make money today? Let me know how you make money today. What are the patterns that you saw? Did you saw this pattern, that rejection at the 3 minute or 5 minute high and market went down? This was a very good trade setup to trade. Rather than that, this was a temporary setup. That's all. Other than that, I could not see any major trading setup. Thank you for watching me. Have a great, wonderful day. If any questions or need help, let me know. We are here to help you. And every one of us here to support you to become financially free. I want you to replace your trading profits equivalent to your job or business and have freedom. That is where our intent is, and that's why we have started channel, to have that freedom of choice. Thank you for watching me. Have a great, wonderful day. If anything, do not hesitate to reach out to our team. I am Thank you. Bye.